Hi guys, so welcome to my first ever technical analysis update from my side. It's been a long time coming, and finally I got the time to make it. I felt like I was living in the shadows. I was posting on Twitter, but yeah, I really wanted to share the insights into my technical analysis with you guys. Uh, by you guys, I mean the probably 2 to 3 people who I already know who's going to watch it. So I would be amazed if this video that I'm going to upload is gonna cross 10 views. Yeah, so my milestone is 10 views. I'm happy if I get 10 views. I'm happy. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video, we will be discussing the levels to the upside, the levels to the downside, and I will be telling you how I was trading this potential distribution range along the way. So without a further ado, let's get back into this. So currently we've just closed the day, and right now we just backtested daily open, and currently we are heading towards. So we will start from a lower time frame. I don't want to get into the I don't want to get into the macro side. I won't be looking at the daily chart. At max I would be looking at the 4 hour chart, just saying a couple of $1,000 above and couple of $1,000 below. Yeah, that's what I'm really looking for here, potential levels within that range. And sorry for my English, guys, it's not my native language, but I still am trying to do. uh, I'm trying uh, to be as fluent as possible. Anyway, so right now local resistance is this cluster, along with the previous day point of control with a 15-minute order block, and the real resistance, the slightly better resistance that I'm looking forward to is this previous day value area high, which can really give a good scalp, like for instance, yeah, this 1.34 hour uh, scalp, that that could be a great scalp, I think. I would be taking that with the 0.5% risk, I guess. um, yeah, so let's keep it aside. there's this daily there's this daily naked point of control that I'm interested in, this naked daily point of control. We will discussing about it further on. Okay, yeah, so that is our intraday resistance, this previous day value very high, and currently we are looking at previous day point of control. Okay, so let's hide this. Now let's look at this range. This whole potential distribution range, uh, soon we will be going over the Wyckoff, the current Wyckoff that is going on. It isn't confirmed yet, but we just need a major sign of weakness to confirm it's a valid Wyckoff. So when you look at it, I'll go over it. Wait a minute. So originally we took out this trend line liquidity, and then we left some equal lows that have not been cleared yet. Then we started to range, and then we took out this. Then we swing failure this low, and I will be going to tell you the trades that I took. Uh, I took around 4 to 5 in this whole range. In this whole range, I took uh, around 5 to 6 trades, out of which two were really good, and the rest was just 1.2 or 1.3 hour scalps that I took, not worth talking about. So these two trades that I'm going to share with you were really phenomenal, and yeah. So this first trade I took based on this butterfly harmonic, hoping, as you know, okay, there is liquidity on both sides of the triangle. So I was targeting the liquidity above with the confluence of a harmonic, and that played out really well. And the second trade, I wanted this equal highs taken out, and I took my entry on the 1 minute fair value gap, and this trade too played out really well. Uh, Then uh, in this the channel that you're seeing, that this is a really great channel, by the way, huh? So as you can see, it was respected back then, and just recently, if you look at here, great respect. This is just previous trade range. And by the way, this is no trade region. I don't trade these regions because the price, just as the price went up, it can go down quickly, just as quickly. And as you can see, after breaking this channel, and I took a losing trade here based on the DNPOC and this 30-minute. There was a 30-minute order block somewhere around this region, and there was a DNPOC as well, daily naked point of control. I lost the trade. Anyway, we broke down the channel, we retested it, and right now we are in a no man's land. Let's just quickly remove this. Uh, the level that I've marked as range liquidity, I want to see a swing failure somewhere around here for a nice quick intraday trade. I won't be looking, I'm not so bullish right now because we can break down this distribution range any time now. And so yeah, just a small bounce after taking the liquidity, and then there is no trade region, and then we will be discussing the levels to the downside as we delve further into this update. So yeah, let me quickly hide this. Now as you can see, let's go to 30-minute. So you see this 30-minute order block, and there's this high. Now I'm discussing level to the upside, right? We will be discussing level to the downside. Just wait patiently. So there's a liquidity above this high. So I want, if we get acceptance back into the channel like this, so I want, yeah, a quick tap and probably test the bottom of the channel, consolidate the push up or breakdown, doesn't matter. So yeah, that would be a really good trade. And I mentioned about the daily naked point of control there. If I look into it, there's a daily naked point of control as well, as you can see, 23,800. So yeah, it could be a good trade. And then there's a ski level at 24,282, which is a weekly level that has been front run by I don't know how much, $2. So a good idea would be to sweep this high, sorry. Yeah. Anyway, before that comes, I'm really interested in taking. Just a minute. I'm really interested in this region. Now there's a possibility as well. We can just break down here, not no swing failure, just a complete breakdown of the range, and it would make sense because there is no considerable market structure support beneath that low. So I'm expecting a swing failure, but we might not get that, and I might lose on that, and it's completely fine. I won't be trading this region, and the next region that I would be interested is this region, and the confluences there are, I'm just going to show you in a while. Sorry for my English again. I'm really having a difficult time here. Anyway, so yeah, and just for a further level to the upside, there is this ridiculous harmonic that I'm watching. Horrible harmonic based on the price action. I really don't like the price action here. Yeah, so it's a crab harmonic. Just look at the D leg. It's just ridiculous. I don't like this. But it would make sense if we just go and swing failure this 25.2k. Yeah, and as you can see, above that, I won't trade this region. And the next level that I would be interested in trading would be this previous range point of control here. Yeah, that would be around 30k, or possibly the value area low at 28k. There are other confluences as well. Now I don't want to go down that road. There's some point of control as well. Yeah, so clearly 23,800, the levels to the upside, right? So the level to the upside, we have 23,800 naked point of control, then 23,800 naked point of control. Then we have our weekly level front run around 24,282. Yeah, and then we have our SFP at 25.2k. So that's the plan right now. Let me quickly hide this. Now looking at this range, so this is a distribution pattern, Wyckoff distribution pattern. We I don't know how to explain this, but just for understanding, we are expecting to see a major sign of weakness here, around here, and then on the pullback, I would like to enter short positions. The pullback might not have to go here; it can just quickly consolidate here and then break down. Yeah, so first there's a minor sign of weakness. It is very rare to see a UTAD after minor sign of weakness, but it happened, and I would still consider it a valid Wyckoff. However, it is really rare to see a minor SOW that will wick the automatic rally and then go on to sweep the UT. It's very rare. However, first time for everything, right? So yeah, and next considerable market structure support is around this region, and I have really good confidences around this region if this breakdown. So I already told you I'm going to look for a swing failure pattern here at 22,277 level. Let me quickly hide this. So a quick liquidity grab and a small 2 to 3 hour trade. Yeah, so I'm looking for this. If I get a stopped out, I get a stopped out. So yeah, there's no other trade for me. The next level is here in this area. However, before I go on and reveal those levels, I would like to tell you from my experience, uh, um, whenever I have seen such a distribution range breakdown. So what most people would look for after this breakdown is the next level of support, right? Next level considerable market structure support, which I already told you is in this region, right? However, from my experience, uh, I have seen multiple distributions, and I have seen market doesn't really respect the first support. Like after the distribution breakdown, I haven't seen market giving respect to the first considerable support, because and that makes sense because everybody's looking to buy here, right? Because that's the next support, right? So it really makes sense to market to just flush out these buyers here, or and it would really make sense to just took out this range low. However, there are still some levels in this range, this low. Yeah, so market can do that, and I have seen market does that. No respect given to the secondary support, right, after the distribution pattern breakdown. However, there are some key levels that might give some quick reactions, like 0.5% bounces, 0.7% bounces. That's the DNPOC right there, 23,798, 23,800. All right. And then there's a daily naked point of control on top of a weekly naked point of control. And there's a daily naked point of control as well below. Yeah, so just remove this. Probably a point of control of this range as well. And if I go into the daily chart and mark this order block just from body, I know some people take VIX too. I take VIX too, but when the order block is of such caliber, just take the body. So we can see there's a region, multiple confluences, weekly naked point of control, daily naked point of control, previous range point of control, daily another daily naked point of control. So you can do partials here as well, order block. So yeah, that's the this region is the next considerable support. Probably let's see, we can take a trade just with the previous low. Yeah, that's already a good trade. Anyway, so after that there is no really good support, and all the way down I would be looking for a small reactions, just a small reaction, just a small intraday trades. That's all I would take all the way down. Because, and I'm saying so because just look at this. uh, when we were here somewhere around this region. Yeah, so I was already telling people I was not going to trade this kind of imbalances, because just as the price went down, it can go up quickly, and this is exactly what happened. And however, I took some trades around this region, and it made sense, but I got stopped out and took two consecutive losses here that I recovered in these ranges, in this potential distribution range. Anyway, so as you can see, the momentum is dying, and let's confirm it with volume. Let's go to 30 minutes. No, let's go to 1 hour. mm, this will be 30 minutes. Yeah, no volume, and we have started showing weakness. Like, we were in a constant uptrend, and we have already broken this low. So however, it does not classify as a break of a structure, not in my opinion though. A real structure break would be somewhere around this region. And if it picks through this region, that's our major sign of weakness for our Wyckoff. That's a Wyckoff confirmation, and then we would be looking at winter at the last point of supply, LPSY. Yeah, and then we'll be looking to uh, take profit at this range, which I've already told you. I would like to see a sweep of this range, because that's what occasionally happens. The first support after distribution doesn't get respected, and I'm still building statistics on that, but that's just from my experience. So yeah, that's some levels to the downside and levels to the upside. What else do we got here? Now I'm not going to open all the folders. Oh yeah, let's go on to 2 hour. Look. Look at the volume. The volume is just constantly dying. So I really like this volume divergence, which shows the momentum is losing, and the Wyckoff is forming, and then uh, we are seeing structures breaking, supports not getting respected after such a look. When we are in this constant uptrend, when we were in this uptrend, every support was getting respected. Like, uh, like I didn't knew where to buy because the price wasn't retracing, and now it's just not respecting important levels like the 23 8, no, not the 23 800, 22 800 DNPOC that I just lost, the trade that I just lost on. That level did not get that level did not get respected, and then there was this, yeah, this channel. We are losing this channel, retesting it, which shows weakness, right? Which shows weakness. So that's the plan for now, guys. If you really like this update, any just a minute. Beautiful. So when we retested, there was a monthly open as well, and that aligned with the parallel channel. So never a random pivot, guys. mm, yeah, I don't want to get into the rest. That's not relevant. Yeah, so I've shared my plan with you. The next level to the upside is this 23 800 DNPOC, then key level, and then we are looking at that harmonic, looking to trade the swing failure of the range. And if it breaks down, it breaks down, I get a stopped out, then no trade region. Looking for a small reaction here. Would like to see the sweep of this low, 2240, and after that I think that's far away, so let's not discuss that. So I hope you like the video. I If you like the video, just like, comment, and subscribe. I would be doing more of these more often if I get the feedback that I want. So just I want 10 views on this video, and yeah, bye.